Hey, how's it going? If you're watching this video, you're probably a local business owner trying to attract more customers through your door, right? Now, my name is Daniel and I'm here with Smart Local Connect in our second video of our series of 5, where we're going to be talking about the 5 biggest mistakes that local business owners make whenever they're trying to attract more customers through the internet. Now, today's video is going to be mistake numero dos, and mistake number 2 is actually not providing a good website experience to your mobile users. Now, let me tell you something really quick. In November 2016 was the first time in the history of the world that people access the internet more in their phones, in their smartphones, than on a desktop or a laptop, which is huge, of course, because that means people are more engaged through the internet with their phones, which is in their pockets. That means you have way more access to your customers. You can access them really, really quick through their phones. Now, if your website doesn't look good on a phone, doesn't look good on a mobile device, then you are losing business. Now, Google says that 91% of websites are not optimized for mobile. They are not optimized. They are not mobile friendly. So when you see them, that is difficult to navigate. It's difficult for the graphics to look good. Sometimes the words are not arranged properly. So you're missing business. For 61% of the customers that look onto your website through a mobile and your website is not optimized, 61% they're gonna go away from that website, and 40% are most likely to go to a competitor. So there you go, guys. Mistake number 2: not providing a good experience to your mobile users. Very, very important. Of course, try to fix that. If that's your problem, of course, go and check out your in your phone right now. Go and check out your website and make sure that is user friendly. There you go, guys. This is Daniel once again with Smart Local Connect. If you want help with this, of course, make sure to message me down here and let's see if we can connect. Okay, have a good one, guys, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.